Hey guys, back with cruzermans inventions. Today we got something different. We've got another alternator bike build. This is sort of a little bit different compared to my lowriders that I build. This is more like a dirt bike, but only front suspension. So this was built out of a mini moto bike, like a 50cc kids mini moto bike. So I took off. I'll show you what I mean. Here we go. Da 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 da. So this is it here, and as you can see, I've used the back wheel of the bike, built my own sprocket using the alternator yet again with the 420 pitch chain, motorbike chain, and it goes up to the battery bay here, which I have a lid for right here. But inside we've got one battery to power up the center part of this motor, which goes to over here, back to the battery and back to a switch. And yeah, and then the other 4 batteries like this one go over here, all in here, and the controller probably will sit in here or sit on top, or and this is the tray. This is a bike that's still in building process. Basically, I have taken it for a run, and it goes good, but unfortunately I should have got the 110 alternator amp, 110 amp 12 volt alternator. This is a 55 amp one. So if I could turn this around, show you guys. Some of the wiring in here. Let's have a little look. Here we go. It's a bit better light. So there's my ones going to my controller, 3-phase, positive, negative, and earth. And then the other ones here go to the brushes, which power up the center rotor part and make that magnetic field in there. Yeah, and this is the outside wires here. So yeah guys, yep, see you off and on. So another little look over, and I will send some footage through of a run that I done on this. It's old footage. There's a disc brake, and these are hydraulic. See, they have hydraulic fluid in there. Really cool brake, and yeah, it stops really good. So the top speed of this bike, I think, was about 36. I'll have to check on the leaderboard, because this build was already done, and I never posted it. So I thought, well, I better do some more footage on it and post it as another one of my alternator bike builds. So there's an electric cockroach build which we done. The controller that was on here was the 1000 watt one that I'm using through most of the projects. 1000 watt 48 volts, but I have 2 of them, but one of them is not really 1500 watts. I think it's like 600. So yeah guys, so one more look over the bike. It rides like a Land Rover. Here's my foot pedals. It's welded in here. They actually fold up as well. Really good. Yeah, it's a really solid ride. And there's stars on the wheels. Look at that, star patterns on the wheels. And most of my bike builds that I'm doing and stuff, I'm saving them because they're one-off builds. I used to build bikes back in the day, pedal bikes, like lowrider push bikes. I built a lot, which we'll do a photo album shot in another series of all the bikes I built. I think I've just about got all the photos. I still need to get more. But yeah guys, that's pretty much a wrap on that one. I will send through the run footage of it. So yeah, and we'll look over the top speed leaderboard later on when I complete these other vids. So cool guys, big shout out to my Trey McNabb and his new vids. So cool, doing well boys, awesome stuff. And don't forget to check out Cars and Cameras, Rather Be Welding, Grind Hard Plumbing, Redbeard's Garage, and Terrell Fixes All. Cool guys, see you in the next vid. Cruiser Man out.